JT in the house. Waiting to see if we have streaming issues today. Good morning. Like I said, today will be a quick one. Got some construction crews showing up in about an hour or so. What's with the hamburger, cheeseburger? So far, excellent condition. Loving it. McLoving it, baby. Hopefully, no buffering today. Apparently, I think it was YouTube yesterday. YouTube does indeed suck. They're censoring more like Tom looking good. Those are, yeah, Armani. They're like three pack for like $16. Reader glasses. That's funny. How you doing, Coit? Coit in the motherfudging house. 3 pack? Yeah. I was pissed off they were that expensive, to be honest. Pieces of plastic. Everything's gotten so damn expensive, dude. 100 pack of insulin syringes are like 20 some bucks now. I think they used to be like 15, 16, 17. Getting destroyed by some shit that, oh yeah, I'm getting stressed out at work too. I'm working on 2 different Sophos firewall projects. One of them 16 firewalls. The other one's 19 firewalls. So that's what, 35 firewalls. And they keep moving the order around. And you try and configure them and you're migrating and you're doing this. And you're like working on one and you're like, how are you supposed to keep straight? Like what's going on where? I mean, you can do notes, but you're spending a lot of time just like ramping back up when you go back to it. Freaking nuts, bro. And then I got another really hard firewall migration. Extremely complicated for a major city that I'm working on. So, stressing me out. Just get one good one. Yeah, well, I mean, it's not that easy. I mean, yeah, I get one good one and then I use that as a template for the others, but I haven't deployed one yet to even know if it's good. By just getting all that online and in the portals and initial configurations and no, I'll get it done. It's just stressful, bro. You asked how stress was. That's a lot. Like I'm not even looking at some other projects right now that I'll probably get yelled at. But I can't keep up. You know. That's what I get. I complained last week I didn't have enough to work on. Boy, that was fixed quick. The thing that's like whatever is I just don't have a lot of experience with this new firewall. So you know how it is when you're working on something you never worked on before and you never deployed before and you're like, I mean, a firewall is a firewall, but still. I'm looking for something right now. Market's pretty. Today's rate cut day, right? So I guess the market's waiting for that. Gotta work on the night moves. I mean, you like night streams? Why the hell would I be doing that right now? All right, we got the E-minis down 8, the NASDAQ down 80. We got Tesla up $1. We got Bitcoin down 700. We got bonds up 3 ticks at 115. That's barely rate cut territory, bro. But they're going to cut rates today. And then Trump's getting someone in that's just going to cut rates no matter what. Good or bad, I guess. Lots of red on the board. I'm not really thrilled about that. I mean, Tesla's my biggest position. That's currently up, so silver linings. That was very unprofessional of me there, right there, boys and girls. I'm sorry about that. Then you can yell at the Indian lady. Why? Because of tech support. Tech support these days. Everyone's just like break fix. Did it work before? Okay, you need professional services. It annoys the shit out of me, dude. Like, we're a partner selling your product, pushing your product, selling your product. We need better support. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I just see, yeah, it worked before and it just stopped. Can't always get away with that. Rocket Lab. I'm really interested in this one because of SpaceX. SpaceX is gonna IPO, and they're trying to IPO at like a $1.6 trillion valuation, which is insane. But Rocket Lab is doing really good things. Who is that sexy mofo? 28 billion, bro. Yeah, I need more of this. I don't own it right now. What did I sell this at? I sold some at 39 bucks. That wasn't very smart. I sold 500 at 52 bucks. I'm basically buying it back a little bit more. Sold some at 4. I should have bought it last week at 40. I mean, I should have just not sold it, but I didn't know SpaceX was going to fucking IPO or talk about it. We got some time. Either way, Tesla, bro. I am so over the moon bullish on Tesla. Elon's talking about they've gotten FSD solved. You know, he's probably exaggerating a little, but they're just going through like reviewing shit on it. In like 3 weeks, it's going to be on like Donkey Kong. Even if it's not 3 weeks, it's getting close. There are just so many things happening with Tesla that just one good story after another. And it's a cheap company still, bro. $1.4 trillion. This is multi-trillions. Easy. Ass to mouth? FSD? Fist? Fist? Shove? D? Yeah, it's crazy how many you. Right, it's crazy how many of you in here are bearish Tesla. Even like JT. What time does G Paul tell everyone that he's going to give us rate cuts? Jerome, 11. 2 your time. I knew what you meant. I have a Sophos thing today, actually. What time is that? So these dudes are going to be working up in my attic today, which is right above my head. Ugh. It's gonna be a long fucking day, dude. I don't like noises. That shit's at 9. Thing doesn't focus very well when I'm back here. So I ended up in second place in one league. I didn't. Oh, thankfully Control Z worked, bro. How's Cardano doing? Midnight. Like 4 cents yesterday. You have unplayed one. What's his injury report? What's CD? What's up with? Oh, Marvin? Questionable? I have bye weeks in 2 leagues. This league, I think I ended up in second in both leagues. The channel league, I ended up like third to last. Yeah, second. Yeah, I have noise cancellation. I have those things on. I don't know how well they work. Liz in the house. Got another. I had a really pathetic attempt at a boom boom this morning. I got another one brewing. You think stocks might jump? That's already priced in. That Nvidia would be up. I thought everything would be up. The brother and son. I'm surprised you even have ever seen that movie. All right, Tesla's going red. Fantastic. A lot of whispers and fart noises. Nah, they're just gonna be clogging around. Can't live without my truck. Here's Larry. There's a bunch of noise up on the roof.
What's going on? There's a lot.
Oh, they don't show him dancing, but he's up there clogging. I think it's what it's called. Yeah, exploiting his Parkinson's. Gosh darn it. Such a funny episode. This is a great show if you've never watched it. Great. My real passion is your hobby. Probably gonna tank. Yeah, good movie.
Mongo. He's got a forehead like a drive-in movie theater. Well, it's just back.
With my baseball. Bet you feel like that. I feel like what? With my baseball? Market's not looking so hot. Nasdaq down 85. Same. I made it to the beginning of season 2. Amazing show for drinking wine before going to bed. What the fuck? Did you miss a chat? Oh, Curb. What do you mean you made it? You just stopped watching? It gets so much better. You work with retards? Yeah, me too. I'm surrounded by retards. Why would you are you still watching it or why did you stop? It gets so much funnier. It gets way better as the seasons go. Bitcoin at 91.8, 8 at 46. And we get night on this bitch. $0.06. Oh, I was like tempted to buy some yesterday, bro. At 4 cents. I should have. That's pretty impressive. I mean, it's going to be unlocking daily. Well, Les, did you stop watching it? Answer my questions. I'm 3/4 chub right now, guys. I'm not even joking. It doesn't help that I'm Al Bundying myself right now. Tesla officially initiated its key supplier audit for Optimus. This is the most critical step before mass production. Once the audit is passed, it will directly trigger official supplier designation. And framework agreements and related components will receive clear firm orders. Wow. You took a break? Like when? Why would you? I don't understand. You took a break because of life. Do you just not watch TV now? Five people like my reply. One ejaculation can deplete a man's entire day's absorption of zinc. Different than intake. Zinc is extremely important masculine mineral. Now comprehend why they give out free porn. Now comprehend why I didn't even read this. It's just one factor contributing to the crumbling of modern men. So, one ejaculation can deplete a man of entire day's absorption of zinc. I said, I replied, my last one depleted me of 3 days. Ricky in the house, emasculation just entered. Look at me barely beating out Kurt right now. That's fucking embarrassing, bro. The guy that couldn't even figure out how to fill his lineup up for 6 weeks has almost beat me. You should be embarrassed. There's a guy losing to you. I mean, that's bad. I've scored 1,400 points, which is. So I've had some bad luck. I'm in the top. Like, I'm right up there with everyone with points scored, except for. I mean, really, right there. Just had some rough losses and gotten fucked by. AJ Brown got really fucked by Shaquan. Mistakes were made. There's no auto. What do you? Oh, what do you auto, dude? If you're gonna play fantasy football, you take the 5 minutes out of your week, 10 minutes out of your week to move your lineup around. We're moving on from this league anyway. I hate Yahoo. Sleeper is way better. Jesus, Kurt. How to reconstitute your peptides in less than 2 minutes.
Here's what you're going to need. One 10 milligram vial of BPC-157. That's the freeze-dried, the lyophilized powder at the bottom of the vial. 1 ml of bacteriostatic water, a 29 or 30 gauge insulin syringe, and a few alcohol wipes. That's it.
So far, this guy's giving terrible advice.
Now you're going to want to keep everything sterile and always wipe the vial tops before you draw. Now here's where most people get confused. When you add 1 ml of back water, that's 100 units on an insulin syringe. Since your vial contains 10 milligrams, that means 10 units equals 1 milligram, and 20 units effectively equals 2 calculator. And bam, slowly, never shake. And within 3 to 5 minutes, you'll have a perfectly kicking it can damage the peptide structure, affects potency. Shaking it can damage the peptide structure, and using the wrong water shortens its shelf life. So do it slow, controlled, and clean. Once it's mixed, keep it in the fridge. Write the date it was mixed, and always use a fresh, sterile needle. Keep it clean, keep it consistent.
I mean, fuck aging. That wasn't bad, but he said recon with an insulin needle. You don't recon with an insulin needle. What's better than Yahoo? Man, Kurt's feisty this morning. I should have sold all my ADA for night. I'd be up 33%. I'd be up 50%. I'm craving Don Yogu. I don't know what that is. My goo? You're craving my goo? Yoo-hoo? I mean, I almost said there's evidence that you might be, but I don't want to say that out loud. People label me racist with a Milky Way. That sounds disgusting. Milky Way, Yoo-hoos are disgusting, and Milky Way is easily one of the worst candy bars ever created. Tesla and a downward praying mantis. What are you laughing at, Melez? I don't think I say anything funny lately, is it? Did I? Sam, what happened to this one? They go out of business already? Maybe they changed their name. I mean, it looks like they're still there. Symbol, it looks like. Yeah. Oh man, I got the boom boom brewing, guys. Boom boom boom. Kurt? No, not yeah. No one else is allowed to be funny. Kurt gets one good joke in a week when he's here daily, which he's not. Kurt's one of those guys that throws a lot of things at the wall and eventually one sticks. Friendly fire. Tourists visiting the U.S. will have to submit 5 years of their social media history. What? I mean, I guess looking for terrorists. Palantir, the only. GLP medications may slightly raise the risk of developing a chronic cough. I find this one hard to believe. Yeah, coffee doesn't seem to agree. Update on challenge portfolio. Up 40K in a week. Sold everything, went all in PG. Yeah, I know rate cuts today. I don't care. Why? Gut feeling. So he sold everything today. Yeah, I don't know. There's data centers in space. Yeah, I need to be in Rocket Lab and ASTS. I'm telling you that SpaceX thing. Google CEO is talking about data centers in space. Man, Rocket Lab's up too. Oh, that sold. My put got 50%. I don't think I have enough to buy 100 or 1,000. I just bought 500 shares of Rocket Lab. Palantir, we've made good money on. Nvidia, we made good money on. I think I'm gonna get out of this. I gotta poop, guys. I want to buy some ASTS. Just bought some ASTS. So maybe. Oh, I have a strangle on over here too. Oh man, that premium over here is nuts. So another covered call. Again, go find me someone on YouTube that does this. I'll wait. Cipher up a little bit and
Take it all down, swallow it whole. Do it, give it up. lost the purpose, I am purpose. I'm telling why they gotta telling me, mama, I'm gonna make her all see. So used to win all of the problems, but all of the wrong reasons. There is a hole in the bottom of my soul that is growing and it's going to consume this whole world. Take it all down, swallow it whole. Fill it up, fill it up, fill it up, fill it up, fill it up. But everything never seems to be enough anymore. I just keep aching and shaking, breaking down every door. I think I've chewed it all up, I think I'm spitting it out. I think I'm giving up, giving up, giving up, giving up, giving up. There is a hole in the bottom of my soul that is growing and it's going to consume this whole world. Take it all down, swallow it whole. Fill it up, fill it up, fill it up, fill it up, fill it up. But everything never seems to be enough anymore. I just keep pumping and dumping something all over the floor. Turn it around, break it in two. Give it up, give it up, give it up, give it up, give it up.
Had to bring in multiple specialized crews. Jason in the house. Talking about a 6-pager, which means it's pretty weak. Yesterday, Jolt smashed. CoreWeave nailed the line, of course. Sim nailed the line, of course. MP fell, Tesla held, ran. 627Qs got pre-sold, pre-fed, fed day. We're going to get a rate cut today. There is no cliff info, blah. Market expecting hawkish cut. This ironically means I lean relatively bullish. Why? If we're expecting how much worse can it get? Yep, January commentary. Least likely. Revisions up. GDP up. Blah. Unemployment rate down. Blah. How goes dovish? It would be a bullish surprise. Boy, he's really going out on a limb with these predictions. Already down on Rocket Lab. We're already up on ASTS. Let's go, baby. Hey, me, Kevin, ain't talking about space data centers and SpaceX causing ASTS and Rocket Lab to go to the moon. Fucking idiot, bro. Talking about Ubiquity and LDI and Axon. Now, no one gives a fuck about Axon, bro. Netflix. Figure. Rocket Mortgage. Oh my goodness, dude. This guy, Intuit and Pat. Like, pathetic. 10 stocks not to buy. AI data centers. Yeah, continue to listen to this idiot. I don't know. He's fencing an update within the last month or so. We realized Nvidia is guaranteeing some of these bags, so this changes things a bit. Still unclear short term. Then why even waste our time? Still bullish the sector and exposed, but this gets squirrely and watch for November. I mean, November's gone, bro. Tidy up your fucking pathetic alpha report. Extremely bearish STRC. Likely a Ponzi. I don't have any, I don't disagree. I don't know if it's a Ponzi. Tesla back up. Unlike your Finch chair ass, yeah. Bloodsville in the house. Hope you got, I got a bunch. I can't do anything with them. Take care. See you, brother. This stream will probably end abruptly because I'm waiting on the construction crew to show up, and so just deal with it. You're going to feel like you got rugged, but you didn't, because I told you. It's called giving both sides. When he gives both sides of the equation, he's not a fence chair. He's not a fence sitter, but I am. I tell you, I don't know. I tell you that I'm extremely bullish. I tell you my thesis. I tell you that I could be wrong. I am over the moon bullish Tesla, AI, Energy. Rockets. Tell Pablo you get off at 8. Yeah. I think that is pretty close to his name. Maybe I should get out of this Cypher trade. I don't hate it. We made money on it, and I think there's better places to put this. I don't know that I'm going to do anything right now. We made money on it. I may regret doing that, but whatever, bro. Rocket Lab, we made good money on. We're back in it. Well, I like to turn this Black Sky around. How did we do on Cypher? Cypher, we made $7,000, so we gave a little bit back recently. I'm kind of over these Iron and Cypher trades. How's Oklo doing? We made good money on Oklo. How's it doing? Uh, 40. Are you kidding me? Oh, I was gonna say $100, $45. That shit fell off a cliff. $465. There's call skew. Quite a bit of like 50% call skew. And just sold a put in Oklo. It's a bullish play. If you don't know. Simp ass don't understand. You don't see me, Kevin, doing shit like that, dude. Like high probability success trades. He wouldn't even know how to figure it out. 85% chance of being 50% profitable. 30% chance that it touches. 107 IV, meaning there's a lot of premium. Call skew. He probably doesn't know what that is. Go ask him what the call, if there's put call, what the put call skew is in Oklo. He won't even know what the fuck you're talking about. Facts. And he's over there telling you by Ubiquity. Let's check in on that one. I need a good laugh. Maybe it's back up. Oh, yeah, coming back up after getting off a cliff. Axon, what's that? Cameras for law enforcement? Are you kidding me? Oh, ugh. His top 10 stocks to buy are getting destroyed, son. Rocket, how's that one doing? That's his number one. I mean, it's doing okay. I think it was around 17. So that one's doing okay. I mean, the sun shines on a dog's ass 2 times a day. Figure, that one's probably doing okay. That one's hot. Yeah, it's doing okay. You might be break even. Who gets in the stock market to break even after 2 months? Meta, I like that one. But it's getting cream since he said buy. Unless he said buy right here, which is possible because I did like it once it got destroyed on earnings. He probably did, to be honest. Netflix, I don't know why. Yeah. He is not doing so hot. He liked the call skew and LDI. Let's see. There's no calls. I guarantee you it's put skew and LDI, bitch. That's how ignorant you and Meet Kevin are. It's not even gonna be easy to figure out. 250. And but you can't. There's like no liquidity. You can't even really do anything over here. No one's trading shit. No one's trading these options. These are. You couldn't trade over. You would be trapped. Even if you got a fill, you wouldn't be able to sell. You wouldn't be able to give it back. There's no skew. A $2 put, there's no one's buying and selling this shit. 0 cent bid, 75-cent ask. That's 50 cents away, bro. And then the $3 is 25 cents. So there is put skew, but not really. Like I said, there's nothing. You can do at the money. And puts are 3 times the price. So there's put skew, just like I said. But there's no action. Kind of like your life. You just don't know how? I don't know how what? How I make it through the day being surrounded by retards? I don't know how I do it either. You guys Kool-Aid sipping Meet Kevin. Like, seriously. His courses are garbage. His stock picks are garbage. He gives decent analysis on things like what's going on financially, but he can't rub two nickels together to pick a good stock with all that information. He thinks he's a stock expert and an options expert. Bro, he's been trading for 5 years. You want to go get your heart operated on a heart surgeon that's 5 years into it, or, 25 years into it? Meet Kevin Tom analogy. Plus my track record. I mean, my profit and loss is right there on the screen for the year. I show you my trades. He doesn't do that. He shows his group select trades. You pay him $50 a month or whatever the price is now. Let's see how much this shit is. See how much this scam is. You guys fill up my stickers or whatever that shit's called. You donate money to buy Meet Kevin's course, and I still wouldn't do it. This is back when he was an alcoholic. You could tell. All chubby, squinty eyes. Join now. Vanilla ass. This is what every scam course website looks like. $4.99. Paying. So you save $1,549. If he gets 1,000 people to do that, that's $1.5 million a year. Just off one source of revenue. I'm sure he's made millions doing this. From zero to millionaire. Mastering stocks and the psychology of money. Like I've given you the formula numerous times on how to master the stock market and the psychology of money. Rule number 1, have disposable income. Rule number 2, watch your size. Rule number 3, don't trade more than what you're going to panic sell. I mean, rule number 4, don't have like high interest debt. Credit cards. If you have credit card debt and you're in the stock market, you're a clown. MK is a stock savant. Bro, we just looked at his top stocks to buy and they're garbage. Maybe I can get good at something. I don't got the energy to make a course. I live courses every day. Rule number 5, yeah, take it. Look, sometimes life happens. Life comes at you fast. What do you want me to hold it in? Get sepsis? I mean, knowing you and Ricky, that's probably exactly what you want. I'm an open